To add a marketplace item, whether it be products, services, or spaces, you simply click on the button on the upper right-hand corner of the listing, as in Add Service, and you'll find the pop-up will outline for you the fields of information that are needed for that item. We'll simply input the information as an example. Products, services, or spaces will have specific fields that apply to that particular category, but here we can input the list description, the full description, the name of the service in this case, and then the price, of course. You would hit Next and complete each field as required. Not all fields are required, but the more information you can provide, the better. The time frame for this service, the location type, the address where applicable, that will appear in the listing here. If there's an image gallery you'd like to provide, you can do that here. If there's additional material that you'd like to reference, like a brochure, you can update that here. And then, of course, be sure to input as many keywords as you can think of for your item. And then press Next. And service, again, you do at least insert general services or whichever tax category applies to this service. How often will billing take place? Is this a one-time or a recurring, as in a subscription item? If it is a one-time item, then the billing interval should be one time. If not, then you can opt for using the monthly option if it's recurring. When the item expires, this is the date in which you'd like the item to no longer be displayed, as in the case of a maybe promotional item that you only want to have available for a specified time frame. You hit Next, and then you'll have your booking details specifically for our services. In this case, you would select whether or not you'd like to have a request preferences from the buyer, or if you'd like to insert particular spots that might be available, or if you already use an external availability calendar, then you can select that and provide for us the link that's associated with that. Add any additional notes that you'd like the buyer to see upon booking, and then determine if you want this item to be active or inactive. And then once you're all done, you hit Submit, and that will save the item for us within the database. And the users will automatically see that in the listing. The screen is updated. Again, the format is very similar in the remaining products and spaces option. Add products has its own set of fields and values that are required, as is the case with spaces. Spaces may include things like amenities, location of the space, of course, additional notes, whether or not it's co-working space, a meeting room, capacity, those kind of fields are applicable. We hope this helps you. Thank you.